Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. What today's video is about. So I wanted to create a rainbow look for, as you know, Pride Month is this month, and I gotta show some love to my LGBTQ subscribers. You guys know I'm all in the community myself. So yeah, Houston Pride is this weekend. I'm still debating if I'm gonna go or not. I don't know, never been to Pride before, and you're like thinking like, how have you not been to Pride before? Don't judge me. Yeah, anyways, I wanted to get creative, sit down. I mostly use the Life's a Drag palette from Manny. As you saw in my last video, if you didn't, go check that out. I did a kind of first impressions of my thoughts on the palette, and yeah, so that's what's on my eyes. I just wanted to create something. I always enjoy when I can get creative and sit down and film and just be myself, and you guys allow me to do that, so thank you so much for that. And yeah, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. It definitely lets me know what you like to see and what you don't like to see. If you like the look, give it a thumbs up as well. And yeah, let me know down below if any of you are going to Pride or ever been to Pride, how it was, how'd you like it, was it fun, was it nerve-wracking, how was it? Guys, if you want to see how I created this rainbow look, then keep watching, and I will see you in the next video. I love you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know it's down there somewhere, and I need you guys to smack it. Hit it. Alright guys, on to the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!